Okay, the fish is Bobby.
The keta.
Fish is Bobby.
It's Bobby.
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 Yeah, that's
Bobby.
Bobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
I means fish.
Bobby.
Bobby. Bobby, that's what they call it in the.
Okay.
Keta school boys.
Yeah. Delta school boys.
Keta.
Keta.
Keta is a town in the water region.
Oh, okay.
And this is where you find.
You find it. It's their delicacy.
Yes.
Oh, okay, they have water.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, continue.
So that's it.
Okay. So how do you eat it? What's the
That's
mistake?
Outside.
You
You know what to use first.
You eat it like eba.
Oh, like a bag.
Yeah.
This man actually do.
You eat it like
Some of us don't know how to.
Brother Chinedu.
Can you use first to eat it? Like,
No, use hand, let's see.
Oh, no fork. Oh, this one no fork.
It's
business.
not for
We are not fucking.
What are you supporting? Eh?
she's eating already. She's eating already.
No
Wow.
No finish now. It's okay.
Easy, easy. It's okay. Thank you. We've seen how to.
No, eat now, eat, let's see.
Don't eat again. It's okay.
No, do it again, I didn't see
At
it.
what point will I eat the egg?
Don't eat with a fork.
You can still add. Just eat it.
There's not an abomination
How
anyway.
you eat
It's an
rice
abomination.
and egg.
Don't spoil the food.
To eat with fork.
Fatima, you are from the
Man,
north.
eba, do you eat eba with fork?
Fatima,
Yes.
Eh? Oh, how?
You can.
You will see, I'll show
I
you.
had it by yesterday now.
You get the feeling well.
You will get it. It's only a man.
That's why you are Chinedu.
It's only a man.
Are we eating these ones as well? We'll save those ones now.
Alright, so who wants to test this one
Okay, you
too?
see.
I have to wash my hands.
Yeah. Do your face well.
Where are you going to?
To AEN.
2 a.m.
Benny.
To a good time.
Ghana Unity Tower.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, so
Delicious.
please, I want to eat it. But me, I don't eat it, and that's my problem.
Use fork now.
See as the word they just sweet for your
And
mouth.
you eat with your hand.
Please use for.
That's why you enjoy this food.
Even the,
Of course, you are wasting your time.
you think so?
Oh.
Emily cut the food.
I don't know, you never cut food when you want to begin chop fish.
You could give me my egg.
Your head?
Did you cook with her egg? With her egg.
Her eggs.
I don't understand.
Your reaction shot now. You're shy.
No. I don't really like
Taste.
Why?
Very sweet now.
No, you said it from the onset. Wanted her to cook something that is easy to cook.
I like this.
It doesn't mean she dwell there now. She's dwelling on the fish.
Who?
You?
on the egg.
No, Mimi.
No mind her.
Video.
Yeah, I'm a vegetarian
Let
person.
me get his face.
So how is it like? How is the taste?
I like this. I like this a lot.
Let me go that side. No more banku for you.
Why?
You like this a lot.
She likes it, eh? She's eating
Eating
it.
as well as if maybe she knows how to.
Yeah, she's from Banku.
Are you done?
From
She's
Ada.
from Volta region.
Madam.
Yes.
I want to eat her.
You want, okay.
But she stays in Nigeria.
Yes.
But she don't see them.
She can't though. I don't know why.
Oh, okay.
This man will lead you to hellfire. Use your hand.
Very sweet though.
What the fuck? Stop.